What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today's video is going to be a little bit different, and it's going to be about how I'm failing eBay in this new year of 2021. If you watch my January update of my eBay sales, you know that it was the lowest that I've ever had since I've been doing this YouTube channel. And February is going to be right behind it with probably my second lowest. There's a good reason about why I'm failing right now. One of the main reasons is because I don't have a lot of stuff on eBay right now. I think I only have around 50 items, and those items have been up for a while. I made a big push to put a lot of items on eBay at the end of last year because I had a project that I was trying to do to my house in the new year, and I knew that it was going to take a lot of time away from, eBaying and even doing this YouTube channel. So the two first months of this year have been really slow. I'm hoping that I'm going to get back to doing eBay a lot harder pretty soon, but I still have a lot more work to do on my other projects. But for right now, I'm going to go show you guys what I've been doing that's keeping all my time away from doing more eBay. All right, so we're going downstairs in my new addition that I had built. And this is the reason why I have been doing a lot less on eBay this year. So a couple years ago, we built a new addition on our house. We needed some more space. And we have the cellar down here that I'm going to finish to make a nice big family room. As you can see, I'm doing all this work myself. I come down here almost every day after work to do whatever I can. I've done all the sheetrocking, I've done all the mudding, the taping, I'm gonna do the painting, the flooring, I'm doing it all. Basically, this is taking a lot of time away from doing eBay. I have a lot of parts stacked up in my garage just waiting to be listed, but after I work my regular job, I want to come down here and try to finish this. I don't want this to last too much longer because it's already taking a long time. Been slacking on my YouTube channel also, not just eBay. But, as you can see, I'm almost ready for the paint stage. And pretty soon it'll be a lot closer to being finished, which is going to be really nice. But really, the reason I want to show you guys this is that, as I've said a lot of times before, I only sell eBay on the side as a nice side hustle. This is not my full-time job. So there's probably a lot of you guys that are watching this that aren't full-time eBayers, and you guys are doing it on the side just like me. Sometimes when you have these big projects and you have other stuff going on in your life, you can't always just eBay every day. And basically, I'm the same way. If I wasn't doing this, I could have, 100, 200 more items listed on eBay. But, there's a lot of other things that come first before, doing your side projects. And, making this room and helping out my family and all that stuff is a more important thing right now. I obviously still have parts on eBay, and I'm still continuing to do that. And once I'm done with this, I'm gonna really ramp up my eBay a lot more. But for right now, this is what my problem is with not being able to eBay as much. But I just wanted to point out that if you guys are doing this on the side, not every month you're gonna just be able to sit down and list, 1,000 parts on eBay and sell 1,000 parts every other month. If you guys are watching my monthly totals, January was very, very low. February is going to be pretty low. And, this is the reason. So I'm just trying to make this video so you guys don't get discouraged. If you guys have to take a small break from eBay to get some other stuff done in your life, I'm doing that right now. And, once this place is done, then it's just gonna give me more time to do more eBay. I'm hoping that if you guys are stuck in a little rut, or if you guys always can't just sell car parts online, that, you're okay with it, because obviously, there's other things that come in life that you need to do also. I just wanted to make this small little update for you guys. I hope you enjoy it. This is another part of just being an eBay seller. There's always something else that in your life that you have to do. So I hope that this helps you guys if you guys are stuck in a rut, and thank you for watching. I'm gonna get some more videos up for you guys, so stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, because I want to keep doing this for you guys. So thank you very much. I will see you next time.